In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot or solve any problem with your YouTube Studio app. So if you're facing any challenge with your YouTube Studio app, maybe the app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can put an end to this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to be able to solve any problem with your YouTube Studio app. In the first method, we are going to access the app information page for us to be able to troubleshoot from there. For that, I'll go to settings, and from settings, scroll down until you find apps. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, under apps here, look for the option called manage apps, and then this will go ahead and open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find YouTube Studio, and yours should be almost towards the end. And as you can see, mine is here. Alternatively, you can just search for the app using this search option here. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it, and you'll be on the app information page. Now, if you can't access this page, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. For that, just exit and then go ahead and look for your app. Once you find it, go ahead and long press on it, and you'll see app info here. So if you tap on app info, it will again take you to the same page. Now here we want to go ahead and clear the app data, and more especially the cache data. Now if I go ahead and tap on storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data on my YouTube Studio app. And one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because of accumulation of cache data. Now, when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it to enhance user experience. But the problem is, the more these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. To clear them, go ahead and tap on clear data here, and then choose the second option, clear cache. And then OK. And look at that. Our cache data has been cleared. Now at this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your YouTube Studio app and see if the problem has been solved. Now if that didn't solve your problem, then you might just want to come back to this app info page, and this time round, now go ahead and tap on clear all data and then OK, and this should go ahead and solve any issue with your app. However, if this method didn't work, then you might want to go ahead and look for your YouTube Studio app on Google Play Store or App Store. At this point, you might want to go ahead and update your app to the latest version. So I'll go ahead and tap on my Google Play Store here, and here's my Google Play Store, and then search for YouTube Studio, and here is my YouTube Studio. Now look for any update. If it is available, you'll see it written here, update. Once you see it, go ahead and update it to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because your app contains bugs, or you are using an outdated version of YouTube Studio that is not secure and might contain bugs. So once you update it, now you can proceed and open to start using the latest version of YouTube Studio app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.